nakita mo yung ginawa ko sa'yo. Maganda naman na kayo siya. Yun lang din ang gawin mo. Marami namang hirap na ang dinanas natin. Kung yung sinusunod. Pag nangyari kayo sa hirap, sa problema, panalangin ka ng tulas doon. Yun lang yung susihan natin.
Masyupan po natin si Mami Shirley and Daddy Jeremy. Ayaw na kayong pauwi.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Masasabi ko lang ako. Maraming salamat. Sana po hindi ko rin ako pagsasama ng dalawa. Lagi silang magmamahalan. Lagi silang magmamahalan. Maraming salamat po.
Ganang hapon po. Ganun rin lang po nasasabihin ko po.
All the people who made this celebration a success, from the planning to the execution, for the foods, the details of the party, and to all suppliers and sponsors. Thank you so much, guys. Without you, this event would not be made possible. And of course, a special thanks to Java Catering Services and to its owner, Ms. Veronica Arnaldo, at syempre po sa ating sound system operator, Mr. Harold Arnaldo, sa ating pong photobooth, sa ating pong photographer, at sa ating videographer. It is indeed our pleasure to be part of this significant celebration. Today is not the end, but the beginning of a longer road to walk. We wish our couple nothing but the best that life can offer. Again, happy wedding to the both of you, and for the guests, enjoy the rest of the celebration. And once again, I hope Junior Nagiman Salikan is now signing off. Thank you so much.